Yeah, some of the cured eggs I'm using. And this is the orange one. I like that one a lot.